Hi friends, today we will see another problem of constraint writing, that is write a constraint to generate the following pattern 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 like that. For that I am taking a class and X is a dynamic array that is int type and I declared it as red. Now I am writing first constraint that will set the size of the X, means size of the dynamic array 10 to 16. Second constraint I am writing for every position x of I, for every position x of I should be I by 2, means if it is 0 position 0 by 2 0, 1 by 2 0, and second position uh, uh, this is 0th position, 1st position, second position, means 2 by 2 it will become 1, 3 by 2 it will become 1, because x of I is an int type. It will store only int type, so the floating value round off become 1, become integer. So at the third fourth position 4 by 2 it will become 2, 5 by 2 2.5, it will round up to 2. So it will 2, like that it will generating. Here I am creating a handle object and I am randomizing it 10 times. Now the way of printing you for getting this type of pattern is that I am I am iterating like a1 dot x of I, for means for every x of I, every position I am printing with dollar right. It will not go in next line, it will print in same line percentage d 0d, and that will print decimal value with handle dot x of I, means every position value. It will printing with dollar right, it will print in same line. After printing all 16 value, means all sized value, what will be the size uh, for printing every value, uh, it will execute display will give /n, it will go to the next line and it will repeat 10 times. So first run it and see the output. See the output, it is generating 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5, because only 1 5 due to it is generating 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 9 1 10, 10 number, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10 11. I am assigning that size is between 10 to 16. So first one is 11, second one is 11, third one is 11 12 13 14 14. So you can see here pair is present, here it is 15, so 7 is alone, like that, means it is printing as expected pattern. Thank you. I think you will like this video. Hit a like button and we will meet in next video. If you have any idea, please put it in comment box. Thank you.